What's up, my fellow YouTubers? So, I kind of did something here. No, that is not a sticker. So, it has been reskinned in carbon fiber. I think it turned out pretty well. Went in and eliminated the tail lights. Right underneath that rear seat is going to be some other lights that are going to go in. Just a little bit cleaner look. Got everything back on the bike. I still got to replace some fuel lines. Wound up realizing that I had some rotten fuel lines in this. This is kind of what you get when you get a bike for free. I think I got a grand total about $1,500 into this bike. I got the bike for free, and it came to me in 3 buckets, a tote, a box. The engine was out of the bike in pieces. It was pretty much just a frame of a bike. So now this is what it looks like. I still gotta tune her in after putting in the pod kit, do a little fine adjustments with the forward controls, and build a bracket for the tips for the exhaust. But by golly, I think she's gonna be rideable. Get a good summer out of this thing. So here is the carbon star, kind of like a porn star, just with carbon fiber. She's a